Sharp right turn. Yeah. Nice. Well done.
Super clean.
So I should probably come look at this before I do this, shouldn't I?
Yeah, it's probably a wise idea.
I'm just gonna roll.
I'm thinking it's inside line.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's definitely
Really,
inside line.
really slick there.
It's doable.
Yeah. Well done, man.
I hate this shit. Why do I ride mountain bikes?
No, so this was my thought going in, is that if it's all easy, then that's a trail that you're going to be tired of soon. But there's enough, especially in the wet, there's enough logistics to make it fun.
Keep thinking it's time for a full suspension bike again.
Don't look at me, man. That's what I love mine.
I'm like on and off on it though. Like, it's just a lot more maintenance.
It is a lot more money.
And I really do like the people, like, you rode that on a hardtail.
Yeah.
Like, there's some smooth points.
I'm just gonna squeeze on by off the
You
bridge.
go, yeah.
I'm waiting on Laurel and gang, so.
Yeah, it's a little narrow.
I might actually pop up over there too, just get off the road real quick.
Sounds good.
Should do it. Yeah, I like how, like, properly technical the last 50 comes. Does that line work for you?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
You hit all of it, I saw. That was awesome.
Super clean.
I was using 2 tires and 1 foot for too much of it. Oh, we have more though. That's legit. That's a legit section, no question about it.
Like, yeah, I feel like as the trail has gone on, the more times that I almost go down, the more like nervous I get.
Yeah. No, when you start to not trust it, and then it gets in your head, and then
I feel like I'm like riding very defensively.
yeah, then they're.
So, walking. Nice.
Yeah.
That's why you said to get off the bridge. Howdy.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah. Yeah, this is really cool.
It'll be nice next weekend because it's gonna be dry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It'll be.
I like how it's not like blowing the fuck out right now too. Like anything burmy with brake bumps just fucking sucks on this bike. Like,
Yeah. Oh, I can see that on that. Yeah.
It will be different on a dry day. Like it'll be a totally different trail.
Yeah, a lot flowier.
It,
Yeah.
it will be similar to parts of Atlas where when it's it and it's dry, you just can hit it, right?
You can just like trust it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good like comparison. I feel like the first time I rode Atlas, I felt very similar.
Yeah,
to right
like,
now, I'm like, oh my god.
And then you do it, and then you trust that first big berm turn, and
Yeah.
you're like, woo,
Yeah,
okay.
like, okay, I can ride this.
I really like the like dual slalom like burn transition section of this terminal. Just like hopping.
That was gnarly.
Yeah.
That was good.
Yeah, good to see what's out here.
It's super cool.
This is
Before it closes for the week.
this is a burly fucking trail.
Yeah.
Oh, look at my, this is why I'm slipping.
I think we're good.
Hit it? Anybody else want to lead or?
Keep on, keep on.
Okay. You guys like to see me slip, don't you? You're like, oh, he did it again.
We're all slipping.
Whoa. Okay. Okay. Okay.
You're still up.
Okay, this looks like it's a legit drop. I think my chain came off.
Whoa! This gets bigger near the bottom.
Okay, sorry to stop right here, but
Oh, no, you're good. Well, free riding.
okay.
Flags are good.
I don't know about this one. Oh, it's not horrible. It's not horrible. Yeah. Nice job. Okay. Whew. I assume we go down. It joins another trail, I think.
Hell yeah.
So what I wonder is there's like 3 or 4 trails they're going to release, and I bet you this is one of them.
The cut down there, or?
Coming right here. I don't know. What do you guys think?
I'm thinking down because that's where the tracks are.
Do you want to take a look-see?
What's down, what's up? Yeah.
This does not make sense because it's this way for this trail, but I don't know.
But the